Hi guys, I'm so excited today. Today's video is going to be me trying out the Ardell brow tint. Okay, so I naturally have like really bushy eyebrows, but I have some sparse areas that I would like to like fill out and just make my brows look, fuller and thicker. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it looks good and I don't mess up my brows because I have a trip coming up. So if you would like to see how this works on melanin skin, keep on watching. So guys, to start off with, this is what my brows look like. They are definitely more like nephews or nieces than actual sisters. They're not even sisters, they're like cousins. So this brow has more of the kind of shape I like. This brow is a bit too bushy, but I'm too scared to tweeze more off. So inside the Ardell brow tint, you have the conditioning developer, you have the tint powder, and then you have a mini mixing bowl, spatula, and spoolie. So it says mix a pea-size amount. I think that's a pea-size amount. Yes, that's a pea-size amount based on what they showed on the instructions. So say shake the bottle 3 to 4 times. So we're going to do this together. 1, 2, 3. So it's set to mix with the spatula. So I'm going to mix this. Guys, I'm scared. I hope this works out. Okay, it's looking good. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So I'm going to use this brush. It has an angled brush on one side and a spoolie on the other side. Okay. I'm going to start with this brow. So I'm going to start from the middle. So I'm going to brush through and then clean off any excess. So guys, I'm done with this brow. I'm not seeing anything and it's been about a minute. So I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then I'm going to do this brow. Can you see any difference between this brow and this brow? Or is it just me? I can't really see anything. I'm going to do my next brow. So guys, I'm done applying the product to both brows. So I'm going to wait 10 minutes and hopefully it turns out well. So I'm going to wipe this off. This one first. Oh, I'm actually impressed. Like, it looks good. It looks darker. Guys, I look like Angry Bird. Let me try to clean this off a bit because this eyebrow is looking angry. Hold on, because I like the way it looks, but in comparison to this eyebrow, please, who did I offend? But to be fair, actually, the application on this eyebrow was actually better than this eyebrow. So like, Angry Bird, normal human being. What do you guys think? Can you see a difference? I definitely see a difference. I'm going to put a side-by-side comparison so you can see the before and the after. So let me give my final thoughts, okay, on the Ardell brow tint. First of all, I used the color soft black because I had watched reviews and I knew that the dark brown wasn't going to show up on my skin tone, and because my eyebrow hairs were already like pretty dark, so I chose the soft black color. The first things first, does this eyebrow tint work? Yes, it works. Okay, just stick to the instructions, follow the timelines given, and it will work perfectly. My only con with this eyebrow tint is that it is not easy to apply. Okay, application process is very, very difficult. The consistency you get with this eyebrow gel is like a runny hair gel, so applying it takes some precise application. Okay, so definitely use an angled brush and not a spoolie. And yeah, I don't have anything much to say about it. It didn't burn my skin, it wasn't tingling, and there's no side effects I've experienced so far with this eyebrow tint. It, however, does say for you to patch test, which I didn't do because I'm a Nigerian. No, I would suggest if you have really sensitive skin, please patch test this 24 hours before you use it. So, but I didn't patch test, and so far I don't have any reaction to the eyebrow tint. It's really good. I'm really impressed. So this product, I would have given it a 10 over 10, but I'll give it a 9 or an 8 because of the ease of use. Like using it an application is really a bit tricky. So, start small and then gradually apply. Hi guys, so it's much later at night, though I seem so low energy. It's actually nighttime, but I came to give you my final thoughts on this Ardell brow tint. Okay, so I spent a few hours with the brow, and first of all, this is just my brow. There's no products on my eyebrows, so that's number one thing I would like to say. The first thing I would say is that I definitely left on the brow tint for too long. The recommended processing time is 10 minutes, and I left mine on for 15 minutes. So for me, they are too dark. So next time, I definitely will leave it on for the recommended 10 minutes. Second thing I would say is that this brow is a bit bigger than this brow. And the reason why that was because it wasn't an easy product to apply. So next time I'll have to probably like be sure of what I'm doing, because for now I'll have to live with this brow being bigger than this brow for the next 2 weeks. I don't even like the shape of the brow, so probably I'll be filling this brow in to match this, but so the ease of application was very, 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 very difficult, right? It wasn't easy to apply, and which affected the way my brows eventually came out. But minus that, there's no other con. Throughout the day, it looks really good. Even with makeup on, it looks like I have my brows filled in. Okay, so I really enjoyed this product. I'll definitely recommend it for anybody that wants to fill in their sparse brows and get a more fuller look on their brows. Okay, let me know down in the comment section, will you ever try brow tinting, and what do you think of my brows? Do you think they look better before or now that they are tinted? Okay, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more interesting content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.